Hi, Dr. Masa at L.AC Chiropractic Clinic again. Today, I will show and demonstrate kids chiropractic. Chiropractic for kids is safe and effective. Kids under the chiropractic care is healthier and smarter. This girl is 8 years old and she has been chiropractic patient since she was 4 days old, and she achieves 2 gold medals in karate practice and also 2 first place the competition of piano play, and she's a 3rd grade right now, but her English skill is 5th grade, and also mathematics. She is a talented student class. So, I will show how the kids make smarter and healthier. Okay? Today she has a lot of abnormal temperature spots. Now I'm using nervoscope. This is also heat detectors and find where vertebrae is subluxated, which means misaligned, and give the pressure or tension to the nerve and then interrupt nerve function. Where I find a peak break, this red needle is moving and back quickly, I mark. Now is palpation. It is a little tender. Okay. also a little tender.
Okay. So, to solve the cause of the problem is find the subluxation and locate it, then adjust. Kids chiropractic is very similar to the adult chiropractic, but we need very little force. It's very gentle. Okay. Your hand is here and relax. Relax. Just like that. Kid doesn't screaming because it doesn't pain. Next, I'm going to adjust her pelvic. Okay, lay down, side posture, straight your lower legs. Okay. Just like that, very gentle. That is today, I adjust two segments which is necessary to adjust atlas and pelvic. So, when the subluxation solved, the nerve interference is removed, so body can walk 100%. The brain functions, body functions back to normal. Kids can perform 100%. So therefore, the kids become more healthier and smarter. Why don't you try chiropractic for your kids? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.